Started raining again. Look at fucking tow trucks trying his luck.
Toronto is currently facing severe weather conditions, with rainfall amounts ranging from 100 to 200 mm. Environment Canada has reported heavy rain, widespread flooding, and power outages in Mississauga. As the storms intensified, several people had to be rescued from their vehicles after becoming trapped in the floodwaters. In Mississauga, a pedestrian was saved after being stranded at a road crossing, according to police and emergency services.
He's fucked over there.
Look at them.
No way, that's bad, babe. That's
Oh,
bad.
look at that street though. Mira toda la garbage that's coming
That's
out.
bad.
Yo, that whole street is flooded.
Flooding has led to numerous road closures and transit reroutes, mainly affecting Mississauga, Etobicoke, and North York. Environment Canada predicts between 100 and 300 mm of rain, with rates potentially reaching up to 50 mm per hour, continuing into Sunday. Several individuals were pulled to safety on Saturday afternoon as heavy rain quickly inundated parking lots, streets, and highways across the Greater Toronto area. The torrential downpour also caused leaks at Toronto Pearson International Airport's 2 terminals. The airport stated that the water is under control and cleanup efforts are ongoing. Although the airport remains operational, the rain has caused several flight diversions and ground delays. As of 11:15 p.m., over 14% of scheduled flights were cancelled.
Oh, sí. Take a picture. Coge una foto.
Toronto and much of southern Ontario were under multiple weather advisories throughout the day, including tornado, severe thunderstorm, and rainfall warnings. Environment Canada warned that additional rainfall is expected to cause further impacts tonight and Sunday. A brief lull in showers and thunderstorms is expected overnight before intensifying again on Sunday with daytime heating. The Don Valley Parkway off-ramp to Bayview Avenue was temporarily closed due to flooding, according to the City of Toronto. Rapidly rising waters quickly submerged roads. In Mississauga, several intersections had to be closed due to flooding. Crews from the city's fire department were busy responding to rescue calls, including a pedestrian clinging to a light post at a flooded Dundas and Queen Frederica.